What's up, Tron holder? So what's going on, my brother? Today is a very bad result. You can see here this time this is latest update of Tron X. You can see here this totally goes down. The result as a negative. The price is going up sometime, but this time the Tron result is very bad. So let's get started the live price prediction, and today we decide to what we do in this critical situation: sell, buy, hold. So before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel. Hope you subscribe it. If you just subscribe, then I update you a good news or bad news. Please subscribe, okay? So let's get started. This is the last 1 hour result. You can see here I'm gonna show you the 3 charts, and then we decide to what we do in this situation. So guys, be focused to what we do, okay? This time you can see here the chart is at minus 0.5%. So this is not a small this is a small dump, but this is very bad dump. You can see here, and those days especially you can see here the price is come down very fastly, and I don't know why they come down, because all cryptocurrencies starting moving up and those days, and I think some cryptocurrencies lost is very bad. Therefore the market cap crypto market has lost 10 billion US dollar. So what you say, why they lost this time? You can see here this is the start of month, and everybody knows this. In the start of month all cryptocurrencies goes down, so they take a very big dump. So let's check out the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result, and then we decide to what we do in this critical situation, because this you can see here this time absolutely they gone totally down. You can see here, first of all, in the chart reason they totally goes down. Why they goes down? Why? The man question as that to why they goes down, and the question answer is that this is the start of month, and this is I think start second week of this month, but I don't know why they totally goes down. So you check out the price. The price, latest price is 0.12539 US dollar. So I think the price has gone up. Oh my goodness, this is very good. This is very good for everyone. So let's check out the last 3 day result to what's going on in the last 3 days. Oh my goodness, the last 3 day result is sometime good. You can see here they take again, you can see here they take a dump and they take a jump. So this is good, but again they're starting jumping, so dumping, sorry. So this is very bad for everyone. So Tron X holder, you can see here the chart is also in negative of last 3 days, and the price is almost very go off very highly. So this is good for every Tron holder. Congratulations, my brothers. I hope this time is good to you. Buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I cannot sell it. Because I am waiting for 2025, my brother. I am a real holder of Tron X. Therefore, I love Tron. Tron is one of my favorite fastest cryptocurrency. I hope a good time is coming. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe ABS channel if you need this type more informative video. Then press the bell icon for videos notification.